Hello OG! I'm Tet. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Binangonan, Rizal. Welcome to Casa Azraya. Halika, pasok po tayo. Nung natapos na siya, talagang sobrang happy kami. Mayak-iyak na nga kami kasi parang sa dami sa mga challenges na na-encounter namin, parang teamwork kasi kami talaga ng husband ko eh. So parang we're very happy na parang nakaya pala naming i-build yung dream house namin na kaming dalawa lang. And of course, you need to work with the professional. Pero kumbaga yung teamwork namin, I think it's one of the key din kung bakit na-build to ng successful and based din sa mga plan namin and gusto. I'm Tet. I am an IT by profession. Together with my husband, Mark, we are the owner of Casa Azraya. So, Casa Azraya's story began actually during the pandemic. So, we were looking for a property. We are looking for a passive income and investment. We're not yet sure actually if we're going to build a private resort or an apartment or a townhouse. Actually, since pandemic siya, wala din, but most of the time we're just inside the house. So we watch a lot of videos from OG and we're also inspired na magpatayo ng property. So actually, nung una, wala sa isip namin na parang kaya ba namin? Parang akala namin hindi eh. But yun nga, yung sa mga videos na mga nag-share ng story nila, parang na-inspire kami na pwede naman pala. Parang kaya naman palang namin magpatayo ng ganitong property. When we saw this lot, parang sabi namin, this is it. may spark nung nakita namin this lot, and we saw potential na magpatayo ng resort because of the surroundings. Very peaceful nung surrounding around the area, and then wala pa kasi kaming kapitbahay. Inside the subdivision, ang daming pwedeng activity. So, the Petroglyphs, one of the old rock formation, is just 5 minutes away from Casa Azraya. So, pwede siyang i-tour from here. Pag andito ka, parang medyo province yung parang nafe-feel mo. Kasi nga, ang daming puno, medyo green na green. And then, very serene nung pakiramdam, which is, I think, very perfect dun sa concept ng private resort. So, the inspiration around this property, it's Bali, Mediterranean na vibe. So, most of na nakikita kasi talaga namin, parang Bali is very popular, no? Pero this one kasi is more on modern Bali. And yeah, fan kami ng minimalist and all white. Kasi parang like, di ba sa mga hotel minsan pag pure white, nakaka-relax yung environment. Mediterranean vibes naman. More on timeless siya and classic. The lot size is 206 square meter and the floor area is 260 square meter. When you enter Casa Azraya, so on the left side, merong lounge where you can relax and i-welcome kayo ng malaking dome. Sa right side naman is the pool area, which is 4 feet to 6 feet deep. So the pool is made of Sukabumi tiles, which is a natural stone to provide more relaxing and nature-inspired ambience. Beside the pool is the Instagrammable dome. And on the other side is the outdoor sunken lounge na pwede kayong mag-relax, invite your friends, and have a drink. Once you enter the house, ang una nyong mapapansin is the open space, and ang unang bubungad sa inyo is the sunken living area. So the sunken living area makes it more inviting and relaxing. Next to the sunken living area is the concrete dining area, which can seat up to 10 persons. So you can enjoy eating with your friends while watching OG. And then next dining area natin is the kitchen area, which is fully functional. So here, pwede kayong mag-bring ng own food nyo where you can cook, and then you can use all the amenities like the rice cooker, oven toaster, and then the microwave. Ang maganda sa setup natin is the kitchen area is very accessible sa dining area natin, which is kapag nagluto kayo, mas madaling mag-bring ng food sa dining table. In Casa Soraya, we have 3 bedrooms. So on the first floor, we have the master bedroom, which can accommodate 2 to 3 persons. And on the second floor, we have 2 family rooms, which can accommodate 6 persons each. This is our master bedroom, and ang una nyong mapapansin is yung mga Mediterranean elements. So, if you'll notice yung window natin, dome style din, and then yung mga ceramic vases, and then yung mga side table natin, concrete to, and also the bed frame, concrete din to. So, why concrete no? Kasi mas less maintenance and mas matibay. Inside the master bedroom, meron siyang sariling toilet and bath, and which is very spacious, no? And then meron din siyang sariling bathtub. And then yung ceiling, mapapansin nyo, it's a clear glass. Para sa umaga, hindi nyo na kailangang magbukas ng ilaw. There's a natural light that comes in. Before we go up to the second floor, on the first floor, we also have the powder room. So we are here in the second floor, and this is actually one of my favorite spot sa house. So here, pwede kayong mag-sit and relax and just enjoy the view. Here at the second floor, we have 2 common toilet and bath, which is accessible sa 2 family rooms. Here sa family room, the bed frames are also made of concrete. And mapapansin nyo, sa every corner of the house, there is an Instagrammable spot para sa mga mahilig mag-picture. So we have a balcony, and when you walk towards the corner, makikita nyo yung view ng Laguna Lake. So, yung mga materials that we use na notable, the Java Blanca. So, makikita nyo dun sa balcony yung Java Blanca na bato. Parang specific kasi siya sa parang Mediterranean. Marami kaming domes. Sa mga toilet, may mga domes din yan, and even in the living room. And then, we added also rattan lamps for the accent, ceramic vases, and also mga concretes na side tables. So So the total contract price is 6 million. So that's the structure. And then umabot din siya ng 8.5 million, which includes the mga appliances, tapos also included the owner supplied material. So those are the materials that we personally chose, like yung mga tiles, the ceiling. Marami rin kami na-encounter na challenges. First, when we are looking for a contractor for our house, yung isang na-meet namin na contractor, medyo na-disheartened kami. Kasi nung nakita nila yung lot, sabi nila hindi daw feasible na mag-build ng house dito. So, kasi yung sa area medyo slope. So, medyo nalungkot kami kasi parang hindi ba kami kakabili lang namin ng lot, excited na kami, tas bawal pala. Hindi pala kakayanin na mag-build ng house. And then yung second challenge naman na na-encounter namin is nakahanap na kami ng contractor. But naging challenge ng contractor namin is yung paghukay ng lot. So, medyo madaming rocks dun sa lot. So, kailangan pa nilang kumuha ng 3 large na huge na excavator para maghukay and basagin yung mga bato. And lastly, which is I think it's this one normal, medyo nagkaroon ng delay sa construction due to a lot of factors din. But we're very fortunate din na hindi rin naman kami iniwan ng contractor namin till the end. So, during the construction, one of our learnings is, normally, di ba, when we build a house, parang ang unang iniisip lang talaga natin yung design, yung interiors. But we realized na we should also focus din sa electrical, sa planning, and sa mismong structure kung paano gawin yung house. Siguro more hands-on para mas ma-check thoroughly kung tama ba yung ginagawa ng contractor. Kasi there were times na minsan hindi kami nakapunta and then nagugulat na lang kami, may na-build na ganito. So, uulitin. So, para din makatipid ng time, no? So, parang mas okay na mas hands-on tayo during the construction. And so, one of na ma-advise namin sa mga gustong magpagawa ng villa. So, building a house, it's a very rewarding journey, but it's not easy. So, maraming mga challenges and stressful situation along the way. But make sure lang na you are prepared emotionally and financially as well. So, also better din na, yun nga, to plan din yung budget. There are some unforeseen na mga events na kailangan magdagdag ka sa budget. So, kailangan may contingency fund ka. Kasi sometimes yun nga, hindi nasusunod yung budget. So, para hindi ka na rin magugulat na dun sa mga unexpected na expenses during the construction.
Want to share your house and get featured? Email us at stories.onlygood@gmail.com and tell us about your interesting home story. For more videos like this, subscribe to OG and be part of the community.